Welcome to the Barbourville Pioneer Settlement. Our historical village is nestled within a charming, moss-draped oak hammock in western Volusia County. We invite you to visit us and discover yesterday today with self-guided tours, guided tours, and special living history events. Step back in time to rural Florida in the bygone days of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Join us in opening doors to history. Second Saturdays at the settlement are a special time where you will find a variety of living history demonstrations and workshops of the traditional arts, crafts, and trades. Programs vary monthly. See the blacksmith forging metal. Find a spinner spinning wool. Observe a weaver at the loom or candles being dipped as they were in Florida pioneer times. Take a class to learn a forgotten trade. Say hello to the farm animals on our estate and stroll to a place where time slows down and a journey of discovery begins. Come to Barbourville, discover yesterday today, and open your own doors to history.